Top 5 Best Replacement Car Batteries. Number 5. Odyssey Extreme Series Battery. Another brand you really can't go wrong with is Odyssey. These batteries are made in the US and its Extreme Series is our recommendation, specifically the 34RPC 1500. It's designed for general automotive use and light trucks, ending up as a popular option for SUV owners. This particular battery offers 68 amp-hours and 850 cca with 135 minutes of reserve capacity. Unlike the lead alloy used in other batteries, Odyssey's battery plates are made of pure virgin lead, which means it can pack in more plates. More plates result in more plate surface area, providing more power. Odyssey says the 34RPC 1500 has twice the overall more power and 3 times the life of conventional batteries, with up to 400 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. This battery uses SAE terminals and is resistant to vibration with flexible mounting options. The company provides a limited 3 and 4-year full replacement warranty. Coming in number 4. XS Power D3400 High Output Battery. Another high-performance replacement car battery option comes from XS Power with the D3400. Boasting capacity of 65 amp-hours, 3300 max amps, and 1000 cranking amps, not cca, this battery is spill-proof, sealed, valve-regulated, and vibration-resistant. It's designed for heavy-duty applications with ultra-low internal resistance and is ideal for vehicles with stereo systems that require a lot of power. XS Power claims to use the highest energy density chemistry known in AGM batteries, and the brand has quickly become the battery choice for competition car audio enthusiasts. So if you're in need of a strong battery that will last, take a look at XS Power. Coming in number 3. Optima Batteries RedTop 75/25. Our third and final battery from Optima is the company's RedTop 75/25. It's very similar to the RedTop 35 with 720 cca and C20 capacity of 44 amp-hours, but it features dual SAE or GM posts instead of just the SAE posts found on the RedTop 35. This battery measures 9.38 inches by 7.75 inches by 6.81 inches and weighs 33.1 pounds. You can expect the same performance as the RedTop 35, providing a strong starting burst and up to 3 times the battery life. It is also 15 times more vibration resistant and boasts a reserve capacity of 90 minutes for constant performance. The RedTop 75/25 has a maintenance-free, spill-proof design and can be mounted in virtually any position. If you need GM posts on your battery, go with the RedTop 75/25. Coming in number 2. ACDelco 94R AGM Professional Automotive Battery. From popular brand ACDelco is the company's 94R Professional AGM battery. This battery features a leak-proof pressurized valve system that is engineered for safety and long life, helping prevent dry-out and acid damage to the terminals. The 94R has high cycling capabilities and is remarkably charge receptive, which means they're great for vehicles with start or stop systems. One standout feature on this battery is its use of high-density negative paste, which improves performance and increases battery life. In addition, enhanced life alloy or silver calcium stamped alloy increases life cycle and also contributes to improved battery performance. A precision-manufactured ribbed case, which has been 100% pressure tested to help avoid future leaks, adds strength and rigidity. ACDelco's professional automotive AGM batteries come with a 36-month free replacement period. Coming in number 1. Optima Batteries RedTop 35. Optima is one of the most well-known brands within the segment, so it's little surprise 3 of its batteries end up on our list, even though 2 are essentially the same with different terminals. Our top recommendation is the company's RedTop 35 starting battery. It's a good balance of price and performance, boasting 720 cold cranking amps, cca, and C20 capacity of 44 amp-hours, along with a reserve capacity of 90 minutes for constant performance. The battery itself measures 9.38 inches by 7.69 inches by 6.75 inches and weighs 31.7 pounds. The RedTop 35 features SAE posts and its case is made of polypropylene. Providing a strong starting burst, Optima claims this battery has more than 15 times the vibration resistance of a standard battery and is maintenance-free with up to 3 times longer life. It's spill-proof and mountable in virtually any position.